According to the Florida Department of Health, Florida leads the nation in drowning deaths for children ages 1 to 4 years old. Martin County is doing its part to help prevent these tragedies by taking part in the world's largest swimming lesson.
I am both a water safety instructor here as well as a lifeguard.
Recently, Sailfish Splash Waterpark in Martin County participated and was billed as the world's largest swimming lesson. Kim Seno brought her 4-year-old daughter.
And for her to be out and see what it's like and to know what an instructor is going to do.
Kim has spent time in the water with her daughter at their community pool. And while her daughter is confident in the water, she still doesn't know how to swim. This introductory lesson is something she plans to continue.
You know, sometimes you don't know if you're with another kid and by accident she gets pushed or she pushes somebody else. Kids are kids. You want them to be safe and preventive and know what to do.
With over 600 facilities participating in the United States and many more abroad, the event is meant to build awareness about the importance of teaching children how to swim to prevent drowning.
It's very important for Martin County residents to know how to swim, being surrounded by all of the great waterways that we have here in Martin County.
Todd Faust is the Special Facilities Administrator for Martin County Parks and Rec. He says that while this lesson is very short and really just an introduction to a class setting, he hopes it gets parents thinking about enrolling their children in formal lessons.
To emphasize the importance of signing up for swim lessons and carrying that on into a traditional class where they actually do learn how to swim.
According to the CDC, 10 people drown in the United States every day, and it's not only children. Lack of swimming ability, regardless of age, is the main factor in these drownings. But there is good news. Research shows that formal swimming lessons dramatically reduce the risk of drowning.
We want them to know precautions and know how to swim and know how to take care of themselves when you're in a situation.
For more information or to sign up for swim lessons, you can go to sailfishsplash.com. For Martin County Television, I'm Bob Hoganson.